We're going to be doing a demonstration today of our Surfacide UV Disinfection Unit. It's a unit that we use to help us make sure that we are truly cleaning the environment. We've had it now for going on 2 years. We've had another unit for 3.5 years that we use in the OR, so we've been using UV in the OR for 3.5 years. It's shown great results. We've been able to provide a safer environment in the OR for our patients. And our aim is to do the same thing in the inpatient units too. So here's the demo. Surfacide UV disinfection is controlled remotely by a tablet. What we do is we search for the room that we have an inventory of all of our rooms that we've previously used the UV in. We pull that room up. What we do is the inventory gets built up over time. As we put them in, all we have to do is find it and we're good to go. But if we do have a room that hasn't been in the system, we can put it in. So we're in the TCU unit, room 403. I just put that into the system. Hit create. Okay, so I've got the room. What I do with the tablet is hit next. The tablet is now searching to make sure that it's connected through Wi-Fi with each one of the 3 towers, and also the motion sensor that we use. It's kind of a fail-safe. It's a safety device to make sure that when the system is running, people cannot enter the area. If people do enter the area, the motion detector just powers down the units and stops the cycle. It's identified the 3 towers and also the motion sensor, so we're ready to go. What we do next is we need to show that we're using all of these. So we just swipe it over. We're active. Hit next. And what we do, the beauty of this system is, depending upon the size of the room and the amount of items that are in the room, that determines the amount of time the cycle will run. Each one of these systems has a laser mapping device on it. It will rotate around the room, hitting everything that it comes in contact with, and this will determine how long the cycle is. So we're going to calculate the time. Before it starts, we go through a safety checklist, a series of steps to make sure that we're doing it safely. Step 1, verify there are no people in the disinfection area. 2, close all points of entry, which we will do. 3, ensure a motion detector is properly placed at all entry points. 4, place a hazard sign or tape off the entryway to ensure nobody by mistake enters the room. 5, confirm the disinfection space is unoccupied. Then we hit next. So what we're going to do now is we're going to leave the room. The system is now performing a range check. Based on the range check, the system has determined that it's going to take 31 minutes to properly sanitize the room. Okay, so now we're going to be doing a demo on another tool that we use to ensure that we're creating a safe, clean environment for our patients. We use ATP surface testing. ATP surface testing is a process by which we will swab high touch points in the room and determine that the surface is truly germ-free and clean. After each room is discharge cleaned, we will come in with our surface testing, and we test the 5 high touch points that it's been determined that if somebody's going to contract something in the hospital, these are the areas where they're most likely to contract it. Pull open our swab. Bend, squeeze, shake, and we insert the swab into our surface testing unit. Press the button, and in 15 seconds it tells us what our reading is. Anything below 50 is an acceptable reading. So we've just got 0, so this tells us that there is no biological living matter on that surface. So in effect, it's truly clean.